everyone, it's great to be with you for this Friday vlog message. This Friday message is now one of the high points of my week, as it's a time when I feel that although we're apart, we can be together in spirit. So thank you for joining with me today. It's strange to think that it's already May, that special month of Our Lady. So I thought that it was quite important that we dressed our outdoor shrine. I know that we'd normally gather here for our May procession, and that won't be able to happen this year, but perhaps you could make your own special shrine to Our Lady at home, inside or out. So, as you can see, Mary is here, dressed in blue, and I've got some more royal blue to add to her today. There we are, beautifully draped. There she is. Oh, we've lost one of our candles, never mind. Put that one there. And she is beautifully draped. And we surround Mary with beautiful flowers as well. A sign of our adoration. There we are, there's some more flowers to add. I know normally we'd have that lovely procession and you would all lay a beautiful carpet of flowers for Mary here. So I've done that for you, for each and every one of you, so that you know that a flower, an intention has been laid on your behalf before Our Lady. And of course we need to crown Our Lady, a crown of beautiful flowers. There we are. Mary, Queen of all, Queen of the May, Queen of Peace, Mother of all. And there we are, the crowning of Our Lady, albeit without our May procession. But you know, there are many things that we can do even though that we're apart. And we know that Mary's our speed dial to Jesus. She promises to take our special intentions straight to him. So maybe we could now join with some of the younger key worker children today in saying Mary's special prayer, the Hail Mary, together. So I'm going to hand over to them now.
Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and the hour of our death. Amen. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you to our key worker children. You said that prayer so beautifully earlier today. And look, the sunshine's come out now, as it often does on our May procession. It's always a glorious day, isn't it? Now, I know that at the moment, many adults and children alike have their worries, and that's normal. We talked about that last week, didn't we? But I think we should think about Mary linking to our worries, because she can help us with them. Now, there's a beautiful painting it's entitled Mary Undoer of Knots, that Pope Francis has spent much time praying in front of. And it leaves a lot for us to think about, a really useful image for us, something that can really help us. Because Mary's holding a rope in this painting, and in that rope, as you can see, look, there are lots of different knots. Some of them are bigger than others, because some worries are bigger than others. Now, when we have our worries, sometimes we can just unpick them a little, work on them, maybe ask someone for some help, hand our worry on to someone else, and that knot, the feeling we have in our tummy of the worry is gone. But there are other worries that maybe are a little bit bigger, or we need a bit more help with, or they're things that are out of our control. And the painting Mary Undoer of Knots, Our Lady Undoer of Knots, really helps me with these sorts of worries, because as much as I pick at that knot, I might make it a little bit looser, but it's still there, it's still a worry. And actually what I've got to do is entrust that knot to Our Lady and say, look, Mary, I've got these worries, I've got these problems. I can't do anything about them, but can I leave them with you to take them straight to Jesus in heaven? So look, there, around Mary's neck, some knots that symbolise my worries and your worries. And today, we're leaving them with Mary in this special month of May, asking her to take them straight to Jesus. and he'll do what he needs with them. And that's the faith and the trust that we can have in Mary. She promises that she'll be there for us. We just need to come to her. That's quite comforting for me. I hope it's comforting for you as well. Now, as part of our May procession, there's often lots of singing, isn't there? And I know that one of the ones that I really like and that many children like that we sing on the May procession is that very special version of the Hail Mary with signing. So I asked some of our older key worker children this morning to remind themselves of the signs to the Hail Mary, and they've put together something that will help you to teach the adults at home and other people in your family that very special version of the Hail Mary. So I'm going to hand over to them now.
Blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus.
Thank you to our key worker children for signing that prayer so beautifully. I'm sure that's going to help many of us to teach that to our adults at home. It's a lovely way to be able to say the Hail Mary together. I think perhaps we should say our school prayer now, because we've almost come to the end of our session today. So we are called to be the hands and face of Jesus as we learn, love and grow together. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Well, that's the end of our Friday message for you today. I hope that you have a wonderful day and an even better weekend if that's possible. Remember to keep working on those small acts of kindness at home, helping out, doing things that really make your family work well together. And remember, this week, leave your worry knots, the things that you're concerned about, with someone who can do something about them for you. Mine are left here today. Anyway, Take care. God bless. Have a lovely day. Bye.